In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant access to your Google Merchant Center account. Whether you're working with a team or simply need to share access with a trusted partner, this process is straightforward and efficient. To begin, you'll need to open a web browser and head over to business.google.com/merchant center. This link will take you directly to the Google Merchant Center's homepage. If you're already familiar with Google services, this will look somewhat familiar. But let's dive into the specifics so you can grant access without any hiccups. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Sign In button. Click that, and among the several options, you should choose Merchant Center. It's important you select the correct option to avoid being redirected elsewhere. After making your choice, depending on whether you've signed in before or not, you'll either be taken directly to your Merchant Center dashboard or prompted to sign in. If you need to sign in, proceed with your Google account credentials. Doing this will ensure that you have the necessary permissions to manage settings and access. Once signed in, whether new or returning, you should be on your Merchant Center's main page. Look again to the upper right side of the interface and locate the gear icon. This icon is key to accessing your account settings, so give it a click. From there, navigate to People and Access within the Settings options. This section is dedicated to managing who can access your Merchant Center account, allowing you to invite additional users. In this People and Access section, you'll find an option labeled Email Only Access. Here you'll see a button that lets you add people. Go ahead and click Add Person. Next, a form will appear. In the first text box, type the email address of the person you want to invite. Ensuring the email address is correct is crucial, as this determines who will receive access to your account. Additionally, there's a second text box where you can optionally add the name of the person. This can help you keep track of who has access, but it's not mandatory to fill out. With the email and possibly the name typed in, all that's left is to click Invite. Once you hit this, an invitation email is sent to the person you've specified. They'll receive instructions on how to accept your invitation. Once the recipient accepts your invitation, they'll have email-only access to your Merchant Center account. This concludes the setup process. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to manage account access in Google Merchant Center. Remember that managing permissions securely is paramount to maintaining control and safety over your Google Merchant Center account. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.